If you're new here, my name's Rachel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and ding that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest videos. In today's video, I did a bold winged liner and classic red lip. I think that this is perfect for Valentine's Day is coming up, a night out during the day, anytime. I think this is just a very classic and classy look that you can wear at any time. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I've already primed my eyes, so I'm just going to go straight in with the shadow. The first shadow I'm going to go in with is Creme Brulee by Geek. This is going to be our transition color, so just sweeping that on with a blending brush all throughout our crease. Okay, now that we've gotten that applied, I'm going to go in with Preppy, also by Geek. This shadow has a little bit more of an olive undertone, so we're going to concentrate that on the outer portion of our crease. To create a little bit more depth on the outer portion of my eye, I'm going to go in with Smoke by Anastasia, and I'm going to take it on this pencil brush just so I can be very precise and get this laid down exactly where I need it to go. So I'm just going to start on the outer V here, kind of work it into that V shape, and then take it along my lash line as well. I like using this technique with these darker shadows just because I can get this really nice and smoky and blown out, and it takes half the time. This is going to really make sure the eyes have a lot of dimension. For the inner corner, I'm going to take Shroom by MAC. Breaking out the old ones today. Ugh, I die. So we are keeping the eyeshadow pretty simple today. So now we're going to go in with my favorite liner combo, which y'all already know. It's going to be the I Do liquid liner by Eyeko London, and then of course the Kat Von D Trooper Black liquid liner. So I like this because the brush is really skinny and fine on it, so I can get a really precise line, and then I like to fill in with this. I'm going to go in with some mascara. Of course, this is my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. Just going to coat the lashes before we put on our falsies today. I am going to go ahead and pop on some lashes. Going to be using Ardell 113s. These are my current favorites. If you have any suggestions of things you like, please drop them below. Tried lots of different lashes, and these are my favorite currently, and they're drugstore, so that's awesome because you can just go pick them up. They're super affordable, and if you like a really long, blurry, fluffy look, then you will love these. So I'm just gonna pop these on, and I will be right back. Isn't it crazy just what a difference lashes make? I mean, for our lower lash line, I'm going to start off with Cocoa Bear by Geek. It looks like this. It's just a really warm orangey brown. Going to go in on that with a pencil brush. Just start at this outer corner and then just kind of sweep inwards. And we're going to stop about 2/3 of the way in. And then just on that outer portion, gonna go back in again with Smoke by Anastasia. Really just gonna concentrate this out here. Of course, just gonna finish that off with some bottom lash mascara. that's gonna do it for the eyes. So now moving on to the lips. The first thing I'm gonna do is just prime my lips with some MAC Prep and Prime lip primer. And I'm just applying that all over my lips. This is completely optional. If you don't like lip primer, if you don't need it, then of course you don't have to do it. I just happen to have very dry lips naturally, so this is always a step that I take, especially if I'm going to be applying a matte lipstick or liquid lip, just because the product will feather on me, and that's not cute. Also, it just looks like this, if y'all were wondering, and it says Prep and Prime on it. So I'm going to give that a little bit just to get, it'll get kind of sticky and tacky, and that's what we want. So I'll give that just maybe 30 seconds or so to do its thing. So now that's getting pretty tacky, I'm going to go ahead and go in with liner. This is Cherry by MAC. And then for the star of the show, this is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Boss. It just looks like this. And I have such a hard time with liquid lipsticks because I like them, and I like the idea of them having, you know, extreme pigment and it being matte and staying on all day. But like I said, I just have dry lips, and it's just so hard for me to find ones I like and that I can actually tolerate and wear and that look good. But this formula, I think it has like vitamin E or something in it. I don't know, but it is amazing. If you have dry lips, absolutely give these a shot. There's a whole bunch of different colors. Love the way they feel on my lips. It really does. It's called Always On, but it feels like you have nothing on. So they are just amazing. And then I'll show you the applicator too. It's very, I don't know if you can see that. It's very pointy, so you can really get like right in those lines and not outside of your natural lips, or if you've overlined your lips, the line that you've drawn. So absolutely just great. I love them. And finally, for highlight today, gonna be using Champagne Pop by Becca. This is actually a fresh one. I've gone through like 2 of them, and it's always just so satisfying opening up a fresh one of these. I just love this. Everybody, I feel like, uses this, but that's because it's amazing. It's got a what? A 4.2 rating?
Yeah, you can look it up.
Yeah, that's dope. Hey, can I call you back in just a little bit? I'm almost finished filming.
Yeah, that's fine.
Sorry. So I obviously like to bathe and highlight. Okay, I'm just gonna finish this off with the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. It looks like this. I believe this is the soothing one, but I really like finishing off my looks with some sort of spray, whether that be, you know, Fix Plus, Urban Decay All Nighter, this, some sort of spray, because I feel like it kind of just melds everything together and just gives it that one final nudge. Just taking a quick bath in this, like I always say. No, but seriously, like I'm gonna take a bath. I would love to hear what your favorite sprays are too. I know Tarte has a new one out, and there's a lot of really great ones on the market, so leave those in the comments below. Here is the finished look. I think it came out great. It's exactly what I was envisioning in my head. As always, if you like this look and this video and you want others to like it, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, because it does really help to support my channel. And other than that, I had a great time filming this for y'all today, and I will see you next time. Bye!